how to add or remove the Digital Wellbeing widget on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on widgets. Then we scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now if you go to your lock screen, and then we scroll down to the bottom, in here, just tap on this, and that will allow you to quickly view your digital well-being. So even on the lock screen, it will give you some information such as your screen time by the apps down here. And for you to view more information, you can tap on the widget to access the digital well-being directly from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.